How to fix VEC was unable to verify the game session CS2 problem. To do this, open File Explorer. After opening File Explorer, double-click the disk where Steam is installed. After double-clicking the disk, we need to double-click the Steam folder. If you installed it on C drive, you will need to open Program Files x86 where Steam will be located. After double-clicking Steam, open the bin folder and locate Steam service.exe. After finding it, right-click and select Copy as Path. The next thing we need to do is close here and open Run by pressing Windows and R keys at the same time. After opening Run, paste the copied path and add /repair at the end. After doing this, click OK. Make sure Steam is completely closed before clicking OK. After clicking OK, a CMD window will open and close automatically after a short time. We've repaired Steam service. Now you can check whether the VAC was unable to verify the game session CS2 problem is solved or not. Additionally, you can verify CS2's game files and restart your computer. Doing this will strengthen your chances of solving the problem.